In this video, we discuss DSA question for Python developer, data analysis, web development, all in MCQ round of Geeks Kepler and any assessment of the MNC company like Cognizant, Infosys, and other. He say this level of DSA question. Then we start with on motivational speech. Each five question, I say you one motivational and Sairi. Then first we call failure is not the opposite of the success. Is part of the success. Success is the result of perfection, hard work, learning from the failure, loyalty and persistence. Success is nothing more than a few simple discipline. Practice every day. Then we start our lecture. The C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie is the creator of the C programming. Dennis Ritchie is the creator of the C programming. Next question. There is the number of keywords in so programming. The C language had 32 keywords and reserved for a specific purpose and cannot be used variable name and identify. Then option is B 32 keyword. Next question. The well-defined computational procedure that take a value or set of value as input and program output. Then option is A algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure of set of rule for solving a specific problem or accomplish a specific task. Next question. The algorithm should be effective, which means it must have basic primitive, basic step, complex primitive, complex step. An effective algorithm should have basic primitive operation that can be executed efficiently. Then A answer is right. Next question. Which of these statements is used for multi-way branching? Switch. We use switch statement in C used to multi-way branching allow different code block to be executed based on the different value of the expression. Next question. Which statement is used? Sixth question. Which statement is used to end the loop and move the control to the next statement outside the loop? Then option is B. Break statement is used to terminate the loop and transfer control the next statement outside the loop. Next question. Array is known as simple variable, subscripted variable, and resolved word. The array in C is also known as subscripted variable because element is an array as access using the indices of subscript. Then option is C. Next question 8. The process of rearranging a given set of objects is a specific order. Then it's sorting the process of arranging collection of item or data is the specific order as such as the ascending or descending. Then answer is C. Sorting is the process of rearranging and giving set object in a specific order. Next question. Every C programmer can throw thought of a collection of variable, function, constant. C programmer typically structure as a collection of functions that perform a specific task and operation. Then option is B. Function. Next question. To use of the library function at of which header file must have included in the program. math.h function, header file of C programming, declaration of mathematical function including the at of function. Next question, pointer arithmetic is possible for and but is no meaning of and. Then option is B, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Pointer arithmetic in C is supported for the additional and subtraction operation, multiplication and division operation, and not meaningful with pointer. Then we ask one motivational speech. If you want to success, you have to start acting, feeling and being successful. If you want to success, you have starting, acting, feeling and being successful. Then we go to the next question. Is a specific type of variable which is used to hold the address of the variable. The answer is pointer. Pointer in C variable store memory address and they are used to directly access and manipulate data stored in memory. Next question. Which of the following is invalid file open mode? Then option is G, WR plus. The file open mode WR plus is invalid and the valid file open mode C included WV plus write and read in binary mode and AV plus append and read in binary mode and RV plus read and write in binary mode. Then option is D, WR plus. Which function allow you to write individual character to the string? F, put C and put C. Both F, put C and put C function C can be used to write individual character to the string. Next question. Is representing of data and operation allowed on the data? A data structure in C in way organize and storing data in the specific format and define the representing of data and the operation that can be performed on the data. Their option is B, data structure. A data structure is said to be its element form sequence. A linear data structure in C is one where the elements are arranged in the sequence order. Example include array, linked list, stack and queue. Then option is B. The question number 17 say, a stack is very useful in situation when data have to be stored and retrieved in the order. A stack is C follow the last in first out principle where the last item pushed into the stack in the first on B pop out the allow data to be stored and retrieve the reverse order of their insertion. Then option is B, reverse. Next question, useful in the evaluation of the arithmetic expression. Stack. Stack is useful to the evaluation of the arithmetic expression because it is commonly used to evaluating arithmetic expression, particularly in fixed expression, by storing operator and operand and applying them based on their procedure and associatively. Next question, which of these principle is used to stack? The principle in last in first round used to the stack, then option is A. Then one motivation I tell you, success is the sum of the small effort and repeated daily in and day out. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines. Practice every day. Next question 20. Recall. A stack is defined formally as a list which all insertion and deletion are made at same in the stack. All insertion, push operation and deletion pop operation are made at the same in which the top of the stack. Then option is B. Next question, a linked list enable insertion and removal of the node at any position in the list in constant time. Random access. Unlike array linked list, don't allow direct access to the element by index, and random access require traveling the list from the beginning and resulting in the linear time complexity. It's self-referential data type because it contains a pointer or link another datum of the same type. 22 question. Then answer is C, a linked list, because a linked list is data structure where each node contains data and a reference pointer to the next node. The self-reference property make linked list useful for dynamic storing and accessing data. In the single list test, the link field of the contain a null pointer. The last node is single linked list. They have link field pointer to the null and signifying the conclusion of the list. Then option is D, the last node. Next question, in the link field of the last node contain a null pointer. Then option is C, circular linked list. The link field, the last node contain a null pointer. Next question, a node that has both a parent and at least one child is called non-leaf, because a non-leaf node has node that has least one child, and non-leaf node are also referred to the internal node or intermediate node. Next question, a strictly binary tree in which the number of nodes at any level and is the tree is said to be a complete binary tree. Binary tree then is complete binary tree. All level except possible at last level are completed field of all nodes. As far left as possible, the number of nodes at level I in a complete binary tree can be calculated using the formula 2i minus 1. Then option is B, 2 के power I minus 1. Then we write because 2 power is not showing. Then option is B. Next question, in this case of AVL tree, the looping takes time. The looping takes time O log n, because AVL tree are self-balancing binary search tree. The lookup operation in AVL tree has time complexity O log n. Then option is B. Next question, a tree can also represent using an array which is called representation. Then option is D, sequential. A sequential representation of the tree involves using an array and represent the node of the tree, and the array elements are arranged in the specific order based on the tree property. Then option is D. Next question, when the edge in the graph have no direction of the graph is called. Then answer is undirected graph. In the undirected graph, the edge don't have any direction associated with them, and they represent semantic relationship between vertices. Next question, a directed graph is that if at least two vertices are not connected. Then option is B, weakly connected. A directed graph is said to be weakly connected if there is at least one path between two vertices regardless of the direction. It means that the graph can be considered as undirected when ignore them its direction. Then 31 question. The out degree of vertex is digraph is number of arc leaving the vertex. Option is right because in the directed graph, the out degree of vertex refer to the number of arc is leaving that vertex. Next question 32. If even vertex of the any graph has the same degree, then the graph is called regular graph. Then option C is right answer. Next question. Most of the algorithm studied by the computer science that solve problem are kind of search algorithm are commonly used to computer science to find solution the problem and exploring the examining different state or path. Then option is right answer. Next question. The set of all possible solution to the problem is called the search space because the search space refer to the set of all possible solution and that can be explored or searched during the problem solving. Next question 35. Inform search algorithm use function are applying knowledge about the structure of the search space to the try to reduce the amount of time spent in searching. Then option is heuristic because information search algorithm incorporate heuristic function that provide additional information about the problem domain to guide the search process more effectively. Heuristic aim to estimate the likelihood of the finding a solution in a particular direction within the search space. Then option is B. Next question. The binary search method need to more than comparison. Binary search is the number of comparison required to the find of the element in sorted array. Approximately log 2n plus 1 at the number is element in the array. Then option is A, log 2n plus n. And go confidently in the direction of your dream. Live the life you have imagined. The way to develop self-confidence is to do the thing you fear. Next question. Let p is equal to 15 after executing the following instruction. What will the value of p and q when q is equal to p plus plus? The position of increment operation p plus plus increment the value p after. Then option is A, p is equal to 51 and q is equal to 50. Assign the original value q, therefore p become 51 and q take the original value p which is 15. Question number 38 call. For the following list, identify C keyword. The C keyword in the given list for auto and log keyword in C programming language, then keyword are reverse word and predefined meaning and cannot be used as a identify. Then option is C, 1, 3, 4. 4 auto and shortest long. 4 auto and long. 4 auto long. Next question. The pictorial representing of the algorithm called flowchart. A flowchart is graphical representation of an algorithm of process and is used to various symbol and arrow to represent different step, decision and flow of the control. Then option C. Next question. The rectangular symbol in the flowchart represent. In the flowchart of the rectangle symbol represent a process of an operation to the perform It indicates a specific action or calculation that takes place in the algorithm. Then option is C. Processing. We go to the 41 question. The go to the statement is the statement on conditional control. The go to statement C programming on conditional control statement that allow transferring control to the level statement within the same function. It used to generally discourage due to the its potential to create subgehity code. Next question, which is an entry control loop? The while loop is an entry control loop in C. It checks the loop condition before executing the loop body. If its condition is true, the loop body is executed, otherwise loop is terminated. Then answer is D, while loop. Next question, what is an array? Then array is a C collection of elements of the same data type stored in the contiguous memory location, and it allows storing multiple values under a single name and accessing them using index. Then option is C, collecting data object of the same type. Next question, the automatically convert an intermediate value to the proper types so the expression can be evaluated without losing any significance. Then the conversion is called typecasting. Then option is A, because it process to converting value from one data to another data in C, and it ensures data type and computable to allow performing operation without losing precision of information. Next question, the function fmod variable value return that return the fmod function. C, calculate the remember dividing into the floating point value to return the result. Then option is C, the remainder of the the option is A, the remainder of the two floating point value. Next question, but it's time to one शायरी. कैसे लत लगी है तेरा दीदार का, बात करो तो दिल नहीं भरता, ना करो तो दिल नहीं लगता. तुझे कोई अजनबी खास हो रहा है, लगता है मुझे भी कुछ नया एहसास हो रहा है. The next question, what is the user defined function? Then user defined function is a function was written by the user. Then option C is right. The progress of the allocating memory at runtime is called? The runtime is called dynamic memory allocation. The 47 question, answer is B, dynamic memory allocation. Over the process of allocating memory during the program execution and store data dynamically, and it allow program to request memory as needed of manage memory use efficiently. Next question, which of the following functions are used to dynamic memory allocation? All of these, calloc, reloc, malloc, all of these used to dynamic memory allocation. The allocating memory dynamically and runtime based on the program requirement. Which of these function is to read a string from the string? F gets W8. B answer. Function is to read the string from the string in C, and it read a sequence of wide character from the file stream of a standard input and store them in a wide character array. Next question, identify file open function. The file open function, all of these, fopen, foreopen and tmp file. Then all of these, they are used to open file, create file, stream and reading and write file. Thank you and subscribe the channel. Next question about the Python.